The episode continues. I now have my server back into its spot. It's connected up to the network. I've enabled the Ethernet devices, and I can properly access the machine from the network. So I'm now going to move up to my office, and I'm going to finish doing the configuration of the system up there. It's currently about 9:30 at night. Wife has not gone to sleep. I'm going to try to stay up as late as I can to finish the configuration of the machine such that it's back to where it was at 1:30 or 1 o'clock this afternoon, but with its new hardware. As you can see, the system is back, and if you notice a little green light, that is the 1.7 terabytes RAID 5 array rebuilding itself. And it's going to take about 5 or 6 hours to actually do the rebuilding. So it's going to be rebuilding overnight. And if you open this up, you will notice, if you can see it. Let me see if I do this. Well, whatever. I'm not sure if you can actually see it. I was going to try to show you the missing... No, let's try that. Yeah. No. Well, I'm not sure what's going on there. But anyway, I was going to try to show you the missing drive bay. I took out the CD, the DVD, and the DVD is now over here. And I'm going to plug this guy. I don't know if this thing's recording anymore. Let me stop. Okay, anyway, I'm not sure where I was. I got the light on, so maybe you can see better now. Yeah, there's the empty slot. So anyway, this guy's missing its DVD drive. And like I said, the DVD drive's over here. That thing's going to be then used to get server number 2 up and running, which is that one right there. So, with all luck, maybe tomorrow we'll have both servers up and running. Like I said, we need 1 to 2 days worth of work, and I'm pretty much on schedule. All right. Wish me luck tonight. Well, I'm back at it again. I just went to Micro Center to pick up 2 SATA DVD drives. I was in line for almost an hour and about 20 minutes. It was horrible. I wish I had my video camera to show you this huge line at Micro Center, and this is the day after Thanksgiving. I don't know why. Everybody's going to Micro Center to buy stuff. But anyway, so I got my drives. I'm now going to put the DVD writer, or whatever, the DVD back into this server. I had a small accident. I removed the Zen kernel from the server as I was trying to figure out some issues with odd latencies when I was trying to log into this thing. And in doing so, I basically made it unbootable. So I need to reinstall the OS. Or I could try to figure out how to rescue it, do the CD rescue to try to get the system to boot again after trying to replace the Zen kernel with the regular kernel. But anyway, so here I am. It's now noontime on the second day of working on this thing, and we'll see how much longer this is going to take. I'm still working on my first server. I got the second server I've got to bring up. So anyway, so here I am with server on lap, ready to install that thing into here. Anyway, so the saga continues. Well, this is par for the course. This is the second installation of Red Hat on the system. Hopefully on my second system I'll have learned my mistakes and it will only install once. My big mistake was, for some reason, I asked to install virtualization, and that was a big mistake. I don't know the Zen kernel well enough. I don't have a feel for it, and the previous server did not have the Zen installed, and I'm getting some strange. It's acting very strange. This system. There's this weird latency that I was talking about when I was logging in, and it wasn't good. So anyway, back to non-virtualization, and I still learned my lesson. Don't ever try anything new unless you've got a week to deal with it. So, all right, I'm hungry. Going to lunch. The installation is now going to take probably about an hour, and it'll be done when lunch is over with. Here's the screenshot of Red Hat being installed. Go Red Hat 5. So it's formatting the root partition right now. 250 gigabytes worth of this is RAID 1 and so on. Okay, off to lunch. Well, here's another update. I have now finished reinstalling the operating system on my first server. It's running the regular kernel, not the Zen, and did all the updates with Red Hat. It's now registered, and I need to get it back with the web server up and running again and all its services that I had in the past. That should hopefully not take more than an hour. So we'll see if I start working on server number 2 today. Maybe, maybe not. Could be a midnight project. We'll see. But no, it's 2 something in the afternoon, day 2, and I'm about 40% of the way through this project. That's how it goes. Okay, it's now day 3 of the upgrade process. So yesterday and this morning, yesterday evening and this morning, I finally finished setting up the first server. All its various services are now up and running. The Apache and the firewalls are set up, and I set up the NIS slave. It's an NIS master, I guess, slave server. So I've got that configured now. And I've backed up all the data that's on the second server that I'm not going to upgrade. So the second server has been cleaned off, and I've recorded all the services that it's running, and it's ready basically to be shut off, and all the guts ripped out, and a new motherboard and memory and CPU are going to be put in there. So hopefully this won't take too long. Now that I've learned everything I had to do on the first one, the second one I imagine should take about an hour. And to record the time, it is now 12:46. So let's see if by 1:46 we actually have this the second server reassembled. Wish me luck. Well, I've started to tear apart server number 2, and guess what I found? A lot of dead bugs. This is where all the bugs go to die. Let's see if you can see this. See that? All those little things? Those are dead. See if I can get the light to go on. No, can't get the light to go on. Anyway, those are dead bugs in there. Cobwebs and dead bugs inside the computer. Kind of cool, huh? Anyway, that's going to be the old motherboard to go. New one's coming in. There they are. Okay.